All right, hello everybody. This is my video introduction to you, and I thought there's no better place to do it than my yard here. I've got some trees, so why not? Environment and Lit. Um, so tell me about your major, your interest in hometown. So my hometown is Madison, Wisconsin. I actually grew up in a small town just outside of Madison, Wisconsin, of about 2,000 people, and came from a rural community where I was interested in the environment, but had sort of worked on a farm for summers and stuff like this. So those are some of my interests that have nothing to do, I suppose, with English or what you might have imagined of an English professor. What are my activities this summer? I play music. I'm a musician, and I spend a fair amount of time outside. I have a huge garden that I ignore routinely, but I have high hopes. Um, Otherwise, why am I teaching this course? Not taking this course, but teaching this course. I talked about this a bit in the videos, but I study sustainability. I'm particularly interested in water, water rights. Water is a human right. There's a lot of places in the world where water will probably be the major issue rather than food shortages or overpopulation being the issue. Corporations can buy water now, and the towns that downriver no longer have that water, and it's becoming a rights issue, a legal issue, as well as just contaminated water, as we saw in Flint, Michigan a few years ago, and just having enough water even in places like the Southwest United States. So I'm really fascinated by water, although I'm interested in all aspects of the environment. So that's the major thing that I like, and we talk about water a bit at the end of the course. So I think that's probably my video introduction. Those are the big things that I'm interested in. I'm interested in literature. Mainly what I'm interested in, maybe this influences the course too, is I'm interested in how literature is sort of a mirror reflection or our imagination of real life and all the problems in the real world. So although I love literature, I find the real world highly interesting too, and look to kind of synthesize or connect those two in my own thinking, and that happens in the course as much as I can too. So hope you enjoy the course, and I will see you soon.